The fully automated French fry quick freezing production line is redefining French fry manufacturing, with precision technology, ushering in a new journey of efficiency, quality, and automation. Soaking enhances the cleanliness, providing double cleaning and removing impurities. The brush roller peeling machine quickly removes the skin while preserving the pulp, reducing waste. Manual sorting and high-speed cutting ensure the fries are uniform in size, laying the foundation for subsequent blanching and pre-frying. Innovative water jet cutting, non-contact cutting, clean cuts, program-controlled design, easily switch between sizes and shapes, enhancing quality. Parallel rollers remove impurities and separate debris in short strips, retaining only high-quality fries. Bubble washing machines use bubbles to rub and effectively remove surface starch from French fries, preventing them from sticking together. The blanching machine inactivates enzymes to prevent browning and gelatinizes starch to lock in sugars, resulting in a golden brown appearance and a crisp, chewy texture. After blanching, the fries are lifted into a vibrating dehydrator. High-frequency microvibration removes excess water. The fries enter a rotating air dryer. Clean, strong air removes residual moisture, preventing frying splattering. The continuous fryer maintains constant temperature, giving the fries a golden, crispy coating and an enticing aroma. The continuous fryer uses a double-layer mesh belt designed to prevent the fries from floating, ensuring even heating and a crispy texture. Automatic scraping saves oil, reduces production costs, and avoids affecting the quality of French fries. The fries are lifted into a vibrating degreasing machine, where vibration removes excess oil, reducing the oil content and resulting in a crispy and refreshing texture. The tumble dryer cools down quickly, ensuring thorough drying and preventing sticking. Tunnel-type quick freezing machine, quick freezing and preservation of freshness, retaining taste and nutrients. Freezing methods can be changed according to different need. Double helix rotary freezer, made of food-grade stainless steel, it features stable conveying and high output, an advanced and efficient heat exchange system, rapid freezing, quality preservation, and easy long-term storage and transportation. Z-type elevator gently lifts. The 10-head weighing system ensures accurate measurement and consistent weight for each bag. The fully automatic packaging machine provides efficient and stable packaging, while the finished products proceed to the manual packing section, ensuring perfect product appearance and quality. From potatoes to French fries, we use technology to preserve freshness and aroma, and quality to open up markets, writing a perfect chapter of efficiency, safety, and quality, offering timeless, crispy deliciousness to tables around the world. Welcome to Inquire and let's create a delicious business together.